Welcome to this technical guide on the Dell Latitude 7440. We are Kelatos Informatica, specialists in technical repair. We collect your device from your doorstep, carry out a free diagnosis, and send you a quote before any repair. No phone calls, no trips to the shop. We are based at Calle Joaquín María López 26, Madrid. Convenient, transparent and professional. Link in the description. If your Dell Latitude 7440 screen won't turn on, you're not alone. This issue can stem from a variety of problems, including a faulty display, a malfunctioning graphics card, or even a drained battery. If left untreated, this could lead to further damage to your device, so it's crucial to address it promptly. To begin with, you'll need a few tools and materials for this repair. Make sure to have a Phillips screwdriver, a plastic opening tool, a replacement screen, and an anti-static wrist strap to prevent any static damage to the components. Now, let's dive into the repair process. First, ensure your device is powered off and unplugged. Place the laptop on a flat surface and use the plastic opening tool to gently pry open the back cover. Be cautious during this step to avoid damaging the clips that hold the cover in place. Once the back cover is removed, locate the display cable connected to the motherboard. This is typically a flat, wide cable running from the screen to the motherboard. Carefully unplug the cable by gently pulling it out. Next, you'll need to remove the screws holding the screen in place. These are usually small Phillips screws, so use your Phillips screwdriver to unscrew them. Keep these screws in a safe place to avoid losing them. Once the screws are removed, gently lift the screen from the hinges, being careful not to damage any adjacent components. If at this point you feel it's getting too tricky, remember that at Kelatos we collect your device from your door and return it fully repaired. Take your replacement screen and carefully align it with the hinges. Secure it in place with the screws you previously removed. After the screen is firmly attached, reconnect the display cable to the motherboard, ensuring it clicks into place. Now, it's time to reassemble your device. Place the back cover back on, ensuring all clips are aligned and secure. Press down gently around the edges to snap it back into place. Finally, power on your laptop to check if the screen functions correctly. If all goes well, your Dell Latitude 7440 should now have a working screen again. To prevent this issue from recurring, make sure to regularly check for software updates and avoid exposing your laptop to extreme temperatures or moisture. Taking care of your device can help prolong its lifespan. If you'd rather not risk damaging your device, at Kelatos we collect, repair and deliver back to your door anywhere in the UK. Link in the description.